If you look across here onto this standard point where the outer loop is going, you will see it's a really nice wide bend before it gets to the standard point. If I move across here, you will see that this is a lot tighter, this side of the track, which is more to do with me not knowing what I was doing when we were putting it together. And you can see it's a lot tighter. So if I move the camera around slowly, you can see that is a nice wide bend onto there, and you can see here it is really tight going onto that point. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a streamline point in there. Now what I'm going to try and do is show you why. Here is a radius 4 curve, and you can see, I hope, that that is a lot tighter than a radius 4. A lot tighter. And if I zoom in, you may just be able to see that is a lot tighter than a radius 4. If I put a radius 2 in, it's better than a radius 2. Put a radius 3 in, and that's what it is, a radius 3 from the point. In fact, it's so. Now what I can do, now because over here is a lot shorter, what I can do is I can put a streamline point in here, move it along a bit, and I can give myself a radius 4, which is a lot better. But also, because this is so much smoother, the trains will run around it a lot easier. It's just the streamline points. If I'd have known they existed when I started a couple of years ago, which I didn't, I would have used streamline points everywhere I could, because the trains run so much smoother on streamline points. So much smoother. And here, this is a bit close to the edge, but because the trains are going to go in there slowly, because it'll be a siding, it's not going to make any difference. Yes, in an ideal world it would be like that, but it's not, because I don't have the space, and I haven't lost any trains on the floor, but I don't run them around like Scalextric's cars, and if you go slowly and you watch what you're doing, you can stop them before they come off. But the idea is to give it a nice, more of a sweeping bend, and I'll show you locos running before and after, and you will see the difference. Yes, I've got to use hot water to take this up, but it doesn't take long to do, and yeah, I'll show you before and after. I'm not going to show you me doing it because you've seen me the other side. It just gets boring after a while. Anyway, thank you. And here you can see this going around the track. Here we are running around, which is now radius 4. Smooth as silk. I'm going to slow it down now, and you'll see how smooth this is. It's just so smooth. Streamline points in my view are superb. And you can see it's just going through this so smoothly. It's now radius 4. It's beautiful. Here comes Paddington, and you can see it's just so smooth, so smooth. And with the Streamline point, we've changed it from a radius 3 to a radius 4, and even with the driving car behind, it's just so much smoother. And one more. Here comes the Adams radial. And obviously it loves a radius 4. But as I said, using a Streamline point has converted it from a 3 to a 4. Georgia 6. And you can see it's just so beautifully smooth. As I said, the Streamline point has converted it from a radius 3 to a radius 4.